Welcome to our comprehensive guide on replacing commercial roofs. In the fast-paced business world, your roof plays a crucial role in ensuring safety, security, and a positive appearance. This guide aims to address common questions about replacing commercial roofs. We'll delve into the fundamentals, explore various roof types, discuss materials, estimate costs, explore financing options, and provide insights to help you make informed decisions for your roof's well-being. Why consider replacing your commercial roof? Roofs, much like anything else, don't last forever. They can deteriorate due to weather, damage, or simply age. In many cases, opting for a roof replacement is the most effective solution to address long-term issues that can impact the structural integrity of your business. If you're experiencing consistent leaks or notice visible damage such as bubbles or sagging, it's a clear sign that it's time to think about a replacement rather than just a repair. We're curious about the age of your current roof. Share with us in the comments so we can discuss how we can work together to ensure its longevity. Let's start the conversation. How do I decide between replacement and repairs for my commercial roof? Repairs are suitable for minor damages or issues that cover a small portion of the roof. Repairs are only a temporary option, and if your roof is old and requires multiple repairs every couple of years, the costs will add up and be more expensive than a full roof replacement. Persistent leaks, frequent repairs, visible damage, and the roof's age help make the decision. If issues are widespread, replacement is often the better choice. Remember, replacement is often the more cost-effective and long-term solution. What are the best commercial roof types and materials for my business? Understanding commercial roofing helps you make informed decisions. Commercial roofs come in different types. Built-up roofing, BUR, for low-slope roofs. Metal roofing, lightweight and durable. Thermoplastic roof membrane, highly resistant. The best material depends on your building, climate, and budget. How do you calculate the costs and financing for replacing your commercial roof? Several factors come into play, including the size of your roof, the chosen materials, labor expenses, and the overall complexity of the project. To help you manage the financial aspect, contractors often provide options such as loans and insurance that can assist in covering the costs. Feel free to contact us to explore these avenues to make the process more manageable. How long does it take to replace a commercial roof? Time is a valuable resource in the commercial world, and understanding the roof replacement timeline is crucial for effective planning and minimizing disruptions. Several factors contribute to this timeline, including roof size, weather conditions, design complexity, and material availability. On average, the timeline for roof replacement can range from 1 to 5 weeks. However, it's important to note that estimated times can vary significantly based on the type of commercial roof being installed. For instance, single-ply roofing systems like TPO, thermoplastic olefin, often have shorter installation periods, typically completed within a few days to a couple of weeks. On the other hand, durable and long-lasting roofing systems may have a varied installation timeline, influenced by the complexity of the design and any customizations. As a general rule, larger and more complex roofing systems tend to have longer installation durations. What disruptions should you expect during a commercial roof replacement? The process of commercial roof replacement typically begins with a thorough assessment, followed by the removal of old roofing material and the installation of insulation if needed. Finally, the new roofing material is installed. However, it's essential to acknowledge that commercial roofing replacement can be a disruptive process, particularly for businesses operating within the building. This disruption may involve restricted access to certain parts of the building or parking areas to ensure the safety of employees and customers. For businesses in sensitive spaces, such as retail stores or offices, it's advisable to plan the most disruptive work during off hours. This strategic approach can help minimize the impact on daily operations and ensure a smoother transition during the replacement process. What kind of warranty can I expect with my commercial roof replacement? A warranty shows the quality of work and materials. Material warranties from manufacturers last 10 to 25 years and cover defects. Workmanship warranties are offered by the roofing contractor and cover installation-related issues. While a warranty's duration varies depending on the material and contractor, it's essential to understand its terms and conditions, ensuring that your investment remains protected. Some premium warranty options may cover both materials and workmanship under a single system warranty. Share your thoughts. Join the conversation in the comments and let us know what warranties matter most to you. How can upgrading your commercial roof benefit you in terms of taxes and incentives? Upgrading your commercial roof may open the door to federal and state tax benefits and incentives. You could qualify for various opportunities, including energy efficiency incentives, cool roofing tax breaks, PACE financing, green building incentives. In conclusion, understanding the implications of commercial roof replacement is crucial for property owners. Investing in your roof is a long-term commitment to your property's safety, appearance, and overall value. If you find yourself in need of commercial roof repairs or replacement, we're here to help and be your trusted ally for all your roofing needs. Don't forget to follow us for the latest in commercial roofing solutions. Share this video with those in need of a sturdy roof and drop a comment below to let us know your thoughts.